Okay, what should I take here? GJ that just broke out, gold that's still up there. Okay, I'm taking GJ. I think it's the clearer of everything at the moment. I do have my stop at the very high. The retest could come higher. If it breaks above this, I'll mitigate. Gonna move GJ closer to gold and focus on these two. I may have to take profit somewhere here, but at some point it's gonna want to do a pullback. I just want to get the impulse move. Let's see if I can get it. 30-minute impulse move. So basically 24 minutes on this candle here. If I could get a run on this candle for 30 minutes, a good run on it. This range is 37 pips. If I can get 20, I'll be happy. I'm gonna move my take profit to 20. I think 20 is pretty safe. And it looks like a negative risk reward, but again, I'm gonna be mitigating if it breaks above that. So I'm up 1.4, something like that. It looks negative, I know, but this is probably safe to do, and it's probably a good idea just to grab the win if I can get it. It's up 3.5, 3.6. Once it reaches 10 or so, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even, and then all of a sudden the risk reward is like that, right? So again, it's all in managing the position. 3.8, 3.9. In the end, it's about catching the direction, as we know. 5. This is where again it could have a problem here, it could have a problem near here. This is the one that I'm hoping I can get to. 5.2. Come to my entry, I may close half. Already created the upper wick. It doesn't need to come back. Okay, 5.7, 5.9. For sure now, if it comes to my entry, I may close the whole darn thing. 6. Could move my stop loss to break even with GJ and take gold. But I'm gonna take 8. There you go. Okay, stop loss to break even. Should not come back. If it does come back, it takes me out. It is what it is. 8.5. Gold and GJ usually go in bursts, so I wouldn't mind if gold just kept going up. 8.7, 9.6, 9.9, 10. There you go. 17 minutes left. It's important that it breaks that low, the new low it created. 10.6, 10.7. There you go. I see my green flashing. That's a good sign. 11, 11.5, 11.6, 13. I'm up 15. Come on, keep going. I'm gonna take a couple here. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop loss a little bit into profit to eat up the commission. Let's see if we can get there. Come on, GJ, you can do it. 59, 16, 17. Come on, there you go. You're almost there. 19, there you go. Come on, one more push. One more push. Come on, you can do it. Oh, it crossed already over here, but it didn't cross over here because of darn spreads. Come on, spreads. Okay, I think I'm gonna close it. I closed it because it did hit TP, but my spreads were preventing me from being able to close it, so I took it. That's good. That was quick and swift. You guys get some of that? Good job, Danielito. Going back to our class today. This is why I like to put my lines at the wicks. You know, sometimes I make it a little tighter, but I like to put them at the wicks for this very reason. And that is so accurate. That is so accurate. And if you want to, and you could get really aggressive with this on the day that you feel confident about it. You can get pretty aggressive because a position that you put a stop loss around here after this wick, like I said, it shouldn't come back, right? And it didn't. Man, you could get 3 to 1, 4 to 1 on a move like that. Look how it bounced. Another reason why I like taking my profit when after a strong impulse move like that. I just wanted to get that impulse move. So that turned out to be 22 pips. 23 pips. Got 20 out of 23 pips. That's pretty good. Yeah, almost got 1% out of that. Ooh, look at that rejection from GJ. You know how frustrated I would be to be in that? All right, guys, have a good night. Bye-bye. Blessings. Ciao.